so it's ready to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the interruption of your regularly scheduled programming, but we do have a breaking news bulletin coming in as we speak. Just a few minutes ago, reports began flooding in from cities all across the globe of unidentified strange entities descending from the sky and harming innocent passers-by. Eyewitness accounts describe flashing lights, strange sounds, and what some people are calling extraterrestrial craft. The Department of Defense has had no official statement. However, multiple emergency meetings have been called within the White House and the Pentagon. In the meantime, we urge that all viewers remain indoors and... What? We are seeing some kind of movement outside of the studio. Fuck. Cut the feed. Cut.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the President of the United States. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This is a civil danger warning issued through the National Emergency Alert System. The President of the United States has declared a nationwide state of emergency and ordered all citizens to shelter in place immediately. At approximately 5:37 a.m. Central Standard Time, reports began flooding in of unknown creatures attacking and killing civilians across multiple regions. These entities, believed to be of extraterrestrial origin, are humanoid in appearance, with no apparent facial features except for two large, black eyes. Their arms and legs are considerably elongated compared to those of a human being, and their complexion is that of a considerably pale Caucasian human. These beings should be considered extremely dangerous. Use of lethal force is authorized for purposes of direct self-defense, although it is strongly recommended that you do not engage, unless absolutely necessary, as it remains unclear whether or not they can be neutralized by conventional means. To keep yourself and your loved ones safe, turn off all lights in your residence. Close and secure all curtains and blinds, and lock all doors and windows. Do not investigate any noises or disturbances outside. If family members or pets are outside and their locations are unknown, do not attempt a rescue. You should consider them lost, and prioritize the safety of those already inside your home. Barricade all entrances and exits, including doors, windows, and ventilation shafts. Gather in the centermost room of the home, or a room with little to no exterior exposure, using heavy furniture or appliances to block doors. Bring food, water, and essential supplies into your shelter. Keep a battery-powered radio and spare batteries on hand, and remain tuned to official broadcasts for updates. Avoid flashlights, candles, or any visible light sources, as light may attract these entities. If your location is compromised, may God have mercy on your soul. Bring any available weapons into the shelter, as a last resort should any of the creatures breach your defenses. All allied military forces are currently coordinating global efforts to expel this threat, but the duration and effectiveness of these operations are unknown at this time. Citizens are advised to ration supplies carefully, consuming only 1 or 2 small meals per day and drinking water only, as needed. Store water, while faucets remain operational, as utilities may be disrupted. Remain calm, stay silent, and await further instructions from official sources. Blessed be our great nation, and may God be with us all throughout this ordeal.